अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम हैदराबादी खिचड़ी बना रहे हैं। हमने हैदराबादी खीमा का वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर लिया है, तो डू चेक इट आउट। अलॉन्ग विद दैट हैदराबादी खिचड़ी goes very well. तो let's start cooking. एक पतीला लीजिए, take a vessel, add half cup of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 onion chopped and saute till translucent. When the onions become translucent, add 3 to 4 each of Sabut garam masala, long, patta and ilachi, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Also add half a teaspoon of Shahjeera अगर आपके पास है तो, मेरे पास नहीं था तो I haven't added. Saute for a few seconds and then add 3/4 teaspoon of garlic paste and half a teaspoon of ginger paste. अच्छे से सॉटे करिए till the raw smell goes and then add 1.5 glass of rice and half glass of masoor dal. Wash them both together and soak them for at least 20 minutes before adding to the bagar. Saute well till you get that nice aroma and then add 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute well for 2 minutes and then add 3 glasses of water, that is 1.5 glass for every glass of rice. Mix well and let it cook. When the rice is half done, add 2 green chillies and a few kothmeer and pudina leaves. I had soaked the green chilli and kothmeer and pudina leaves in water for some time for the sand to settle at the bottom, then washed it well and added to this. Cover and leave it on dum till it is completely done. There is no need to add any more water. 3 glasses is more than enough. The rice is completely ready, goes very well with Hyderabadi Kheema and pudina ki chutney and anything of your choice, any side dish of your choice as well. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.